Yeah. What? You're so pretty. You're so pretty girl. You're so pretty girl. Yes, you are. You're a pretty girl, aren't you? Yes. Yes, you are. You're so cute. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. What you doing? What you doing? Pretty girl. Pretty girl. What you doing? What are you doing, silly girl? Where you going? Where are you going? Are you going somewhere? Are you going somewhere? Are you gonna go? You ready to go, Squirmy Worm? Oh, you ready? Gonna be a boxer? Are you gonna be a boxer? Is that what you're gonna be? Yeah? Say, yeah, I'm gonna go around and beat people up. Really? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I know.
On you.
I know. What? What? Silly girl.
Bradley.
Say hi to
You come sit with
Grandpa.
Zoe and Grandpa?
Say hi to Grandpa. How you doing? I'm Zoe. I'm Zoe. I'm a sweetie.
Come sit up here with Bradley and Grandpa?
You want to come sit up here? We'll make a movie for your great grandpa. My daddy. Say hi, great grandpa. You having fun with your little sister? Is she pretty neat to have around?
Bradley.
Where are you going? Come on, let's make this movie. Great grandpa hasn't had a chance to see you. Come on, let's have great grandpa what you like to do. You want to get him a guitar and play him a song?
Okay.
There's your guitar over there. You want to get your guitar and play a song for great grandpa? I'll bet he'd like that. Here's your gorgeous great-granddaughter, and she is a stunner and a great personality. She's very laid back. You can see. But she's a sweetie. And she's amazing. Say hi, great-grandpa. How you doing? Say, I'm doing pretty good. I'm getting bigger. Huh? Aren't you? Oh, silly girl. Where are you going? Where are you going? You gonna come up here and make a movie for great grandpa? You wanna dance for great grandpa? Show him how you dance? Shorty? Start, boy.